Good evening. So today's topic will be HCF and LCM, right? Now, before going to HCF and LCM, I just want to take these two words, okay? Factor and a multiple. Now, can anyone tell me what is the difference between a factor and a multiple? What do you call a factor? What do you call a multiple? I mean, see, LCM, HCF, you would have studied in your school days, right? But then, okay, HCF means what is the full form?
Highest common factor.
Highest common factor. LCM?
Lowest common multiple.
Least common multiple. Fine. So you have two words in this, factor and multiple, right? In HCF you have factor. In LCM you have multiple, right? Now my question is, what is a factor and what is a multiple? Okay, I'll take a number 10. Can you tell me what are the factors of 10?
So 2, 5,
2, 5,
1,
110.
1, 10.
1, 2, 5. Now why are they called factors of 10?
Because the 10 can be divided by these numbers.
Okay, good.
Remainder would
Multiple?
be 0.
The product of two numbers.
Multiple is a product of two numbers. Yeah,
10 is
but
the
what are the
multiple of
multiples
2.
of 10? I'm asking what are the multiples of 10? What are the multiples of 10?
20, 30, 40, so
10, 20, 30, 40. It starts from 10.
yeah.
Okay. 10 into 1. See, multiple is nothing but in schools you would have studied tables, no? So what is a table? They call it as multiplication table, correct?
Yes.
So multiplication table means, okay, these are actually multiples, right? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Right. Fine. So multiples of 10 is 10, 20, 30, 40, it goes on like that. Factors is in which table you can find 10. So that is a factor. Okay, those who are not able to understand this, listen. Multiples are, if they ask you what are the multiples of 10, you can just mention the tables. 10 into 1, 10, 10 into 2, 20. So 10, 20, 30, 40 goes on. Those are multiples. Okay. Now, what are the factors of 10? It's nothing but which are all the tables which will give you 10. One table definitely 1 into 10 is 10. 2 table 2 into 5. 5 table 5 into 2. 10 table 10 into 1. Clear? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Fine. That's good. We'll go to the definition part. Okay. So we just read this. Okay. Whatever I told you, that is the same thing. Okay. Given here. Lowest common multiple or least or smallest multiple of any two or more given natural numbers. Okay, so let me give you a number. Okay, 5 and 7. What is the LCM of 5 and 7? Can anyone tell me?
35.
How much?
35.
35. See, LCM is actually a number that is the common number in both these. Okay, like for example, let me take multiples of 5. 5 into 1 is 5. 5 into 2 is 10. 3, 15. Right? 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. It goes on like this. These are multiples of 5, right? Multiples of 7, 7, 14, then 21, 28, 35, 42, right? Now in this, these are all the multiples of 5, these are all the multiples of 7. Now amongst them, which one is the common? Okay, the common multiples are, see, 35 is a number that is common, okay, and that is the lowest number also. Before 35 there is no common number between 7 and 5, right? So that is the meaning. See, we are finding the multiples and we are identifying the common multiple and the least one of the common multiples. So that is the meaning of LCM. Are you able to follow? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Others? Should I repeat this?
No, sir.
Right. Fine. Let me erase this part. So I'll give you one more number. Right. Let us take 10 and 15. Now what is the multiple of LCM of 10 and 15?
30.
30 again. So those are not able to understand, see, 10, 20, 30, it goes on 40, 50, 60, and for 15 it is like 15, 30, 45, 60, 75. Okay. Now if you see, I have found out the multiples. What are the numbers that are common? See, 30 is common, right? Even 60 is also common, right? But amongst the common numbers, which one is least will be your LCM. Okay. So LCM of 10 and 15 is 30, right? Now, for the same 10 and 15, let's take the same number 10, 15. What will be the HCF? What will be the HCF of 10 and 15? Anyone?
Yes, sir.
5.
5 is correct. Okay. Again, the same process. Okay. See, in your exams, you need not do like this. I'll tell you the shortcut, but the point is we need to understand the concept. Okay. Now, what are all the numbers that can produce 10? 1, if you take 1 into 10 is 10. Yeah. 1 is a factor. 2 into 5 is 10. Yes. 3 table no 10, 4 table no 10, 5 table, yes. 5 into 2 is 10. Right? 6, 7, 8, 9, no. Again 10. So these are all the factors of 10. Right? And for 15, what are all the factors? 1 into 15, then 3. 3 is a factor. 3 into 5 is 15. Right? Then 5 is a factor. 5 into 3 is 15. Then 15 is a factor. So 1, 3, 5, 15. Now, common number is what? 1 is definitely common, correct? And the next common number is 5, right? In this, which is highest? 5. So that is HCF. Are you able to follow the meaning? Why we are calling LCM, why we are calling something as HCF, we need to understand. Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Fine? Clear for all? Any doubt? See, again, as I said, you can stop me at any point and get it clarified. Okay. So only if you understand this, then you can go to the problems. Right? Shall we move to the next thing?
Yes, sir.
Fine. So this thing will come later. This is the formula part. I just want you to find the answer for this. What will be the answer? Just see this and tell me.
Sir, 16.
16. Okay.
Sorry for that HCF.
No, it's not 16.
Four.
4. 4 is not in the options. I have given you the options also.
Sir, 96.
96. Yes, good. 96 is the answer. How did you get it? How do you do LCM in school? We'll do one big L division, no? That's what we do, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. But from now on, we are going to stop using that L division. Okay. I'll tell you what to do. Okay. Before that, if any of you know any shortcuts, let me know how to do LCM. To do LCM.
We'll just take the multiples of highest number and see it is divided with lower smallest number or not.
Good. Yeah. Everybody knows this. So what is he saying is take 48 and 32. Okay. Which one is the biggest one? 48, correct? Now, if I take 48, what is 48 into 1? 48 into 1 is 48. Now, is 48 divisible by 32? No. 32 into 2 itself is 64. So, 48 is not divisible. So, definitely 48 cannot be my LCM. 48 into 2 is how much? 96, correct? Right? 48 into 2 is 96. Now, you need to check if this 96 is divisible by 32. Yes, 96 is nothing but 32 into 3, right? So, this 96 is the number that is divisible by 32 and 48. So, this will be my LCM. Clear? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, you are going to tell me 8, 12, 16. What is the LCM for this? Tell me. What is the LCM of 8, 12 and 16? See, in your exam, directly they will not ask you LCM, okay? But this is very important in another topic called time and verse.
48.
48,
48,
good.
sir.
48. All of you are getting right. So 16, you take 16 into 1 is 16. 16 is divisible by 8, but it is not divisible by 12, right? So 16 will not be my LCM. So this number should be divisible by all other numbers. 16 into 2 is what? 32, right? 8 4 times, yes, 8 table 32 is there, but 12 table there is no 32. So 32 is not there. 16 3 times, 48, right? 8 6 times, 48. 12 4 times, 48. So 48 is number that is divisible by all the other two numbers. So that is my LCM. Clear? Understood? So next time when you are solving LCM, you should not go for this L division method. Okay. So that is very, very important. Right? So we'll go to the next question. Just give me a minute. So answer for the previous question is 96 actually. Fine. Yeah. What is the answer for the next one? So is this the next question? Yes. Now leave this. This is a mistake. Find the greatest number that will divide 12, 36, 54 exactly.
6.
Plus 6.
6. So what they've asked here? HCF, correct?
Yes, sir.
So now, like we did LCM, we can do HCF also. 12, 36, 54. Now, in case of LCM, we focused on the biggest number, correct? Now, in case of HCF, we'll focus on the smallest number. What are the factors of 12? Quickly tell me. 1 is a factor. 1 is a factor for every number. Okay. Every number is a multiple of 1. So 1 is a factor. Next, is 2 a factor? Yes. 3,
Yes.
4,
And 4.
then 6. 6 into 2, no? And 12. Correct?
Yes,
Yes
sir.
or no? Now, after writing this, you come from the biggest number. 12. Is 36 divisible by 12? Yes. 12 threes are 36. Is 54 divisible by 12?
No.
No.
No. So 12 is not my HCF. Come to 6. Is 36 divisible by 6? Yes. Is 54 divisible by 6? Yes. So this will be my HCF. Are you able to understand?
Yes, sir.
I make sense, right? Should I repeat this for anyone? If you want me to repeat, I'll do that. That's not a problem. Okay. Getting clear of the topic is very important. Should I repeat?
No, sir.
Okay. Shall I move to the next one? This one.
So 24.
Which one? What is the answer? What is the least number that is exactly divisible by 6, 8 and 12? What is the answer?
24.
24. Right? 12 into 2, 8 into 3, 6 into 4. Okay. That is the least number that is exactly divisible. Clear? So there is no difficulty in answering this. Right? Next. Find the greatest number that divides 9, 27 and 18.
So 9.
9, 27, yeah, 9 is the number, no? 9 into 1, 9 3 times. This is 1 time, this is 2 times. See, these are all basics, okay? Nobody is going to ask you all these things. Again, I am telling you, okay? But I just wanted to let you know, okay? Just practice the basic part. This one, just quickly tell me, what is the HCF and LCM of 30 and 50?
Ten and 150, sir.
10
and 150.
Yeah, 10 and 150, which is option D, correct?
Yeah.
50 into 3, yeah, 10 and 150, correct. Next, okay, this is HCF and LCM of a fraction. Okay, now we'll go to the first slide where we had this formula. Just take down this formula, take the screenshot of it. LCM of fraction is LCM of numerator by HCF of denominator. HCF of fraction is HCF of numerator by LCM of denominator. And simple. If they are asking you LCM, LCM should be in the numerator, HCF should be in the denominator. If they are asking you HCF, HCF should be in the numerator and LCM should be in the denominator. That's it. Clear? Just take a screenshot of this formula. And this one also. Product of two numbers is product of their LCM and HCF. We can check that 10 and 15. Okay. So 10 and 15 LCM is what? 30. HCF is what? Of 10 and 15. What is the HCF of 10 and 15?
5, sir.
5. So multiply 10 and 15, 150 is 10 into 15. Okay. Which is 150. Multiply this one, 30 into 5, which is 150 again. So that is what they are saying here. Product of their LCM and HCF is product of the numbers. Okay. Okay. Now what do you mean by a coprime? Anybody? What do you mean by coprimes? Have you ever heard this term? Anyone? What is a coprime?
Which are not prime, sir. I don't know.
Which are not prime?
Yeah.
No.
Like 3 and 5, they are prime, but they're nearest, like next to next prime.
So when you take two numbers whose HCF is 1, they are called coprimes. Okay. HCF should be 1. Other than 1, no common factor should be there. Okay. So those are called co-primes. Okay. Now if 3 and 5 is also there. Okay. 3 and 5, what is the LCM of 3 and 5? It will be 15, right? So it is product of the numbers. But co-primes are those numbers which has the highest common factor as 1. Keep that in mind. Okay. If at all some question comes where they ask you co-primes, you can use this. Understood? You can take any numbers. Okay. Then HCF should be 1. And those are co-primes. Am I clear with this? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Anybody has a doubt here in this? See, we'll go to difficult questions. Okay. I'll solve application problems. Don't worry. Just want to make you understand the basics. That's it. Now try this question, all of you. I just want you to try. Take your time and do. Okay. Just apply the formula and
Option B, sir.
what's the answer? Option B. Okay. Let's try to solve this. Okay. What is given LCM? What is the formula for LCM of a fraction? You will take LCM of
Numerator by
numerator. What is numerator? 7, 63 and 9. Correct?
yes.
And HCF of denominator. HCF of denominator. What is the denominator? 9, 8 and 7. Right? Fine. Now what is the LCM of 7, 9 and 63? As usual, take the biggest number, 63. 63 into 1 is 63. Is 63 divisible by 7? Yes, 7 into 9. Is 63 divisible by 9? Yes, 9 into 7. So, LCM is 63. What is the HCF of 9, 8 and 7? What is the HCF of 9, 8 and 7? Are you guys there?
1.
1. That's it. Good. See, 1 is the common number that will divide because 9, 8 and 7 will not come together in any other table other than 1. Correct? So yeah, LCM is 63. Now come to HCF. When you take HCF of a fraction, you take HCF of 7, 63 and 9. Okay. And LCM of 9, 8 and 7. How to solve this? What is the HCF of 7, 9 and 63? It is actually 1. Okay. So these three things will not come in any two number. See, 7 and 63 will come in 7 table. 9 and 63 will come in 9 table. But 7, 9 and 63 together will not come in any table other than 1. So this is 1. Now LCM of 9, 8 and 7. What is the LCM of 9, 8 and 7? Can anyone tell me?
504.
Just multiply them, that's it. Right?
Yes.
So that is what I told you. These are coprimes. Okay, when a HCF is 1, these are coprimes, and LCM of a coprime is the multiplication product of the numbers. So your answer is not a B, rather it is option A. Now any one of you here want me to repeat this?
Yes, sir.
Should I repeat
Yes, sir.
completely?
Yes, sir.
Okay, don't worry. We'll make this clear. Okay. So I gave you a formula where LCM of these are fractions, correct? Now LCM of a fraction. So which is LCM of numerator. Now what is a numerator in a fraction? If a fraction is like this, P by Q, this is numerator and this is denominator. You know this, right? The number below is the denominator, above it is called numerator. So LCM of numerator means LCM of 7 here, 63 and 9, and HCF of denominator. HCF, so if they are asking you LCM, this is the formula. HCF of 9, 8, 7. Okay. So you take LCM for these three numbers, which is nothing but you take LCM. I told you take the biggest number, find its multiple. 63 is the biggest number. 63 into 1 is 63. Is 63 divisible by 7? Yes. Is 63 divisible by 9? Yes. It is 9 into 7 is 63. 7 into 9 is 63. Okay. So LCM will be 63. And HCF for 9, 8 and 7. Now, what is the number that will divide 9, 8 and 7? Okay, one number that should divide all these three numbers. Can 2 divide? No. Only 2 will divide only 8. 9 will not be divisible. 3 will divide only 9. 8 will not be divisible. 7 is actually a prime number. Okay. So 7 is divisible only by 1 and 7. So what you do here is, so the highest number that can divide 9, 8 and 7 is what? 1. Other than one table, you cannot find these three numbers together in any table. Okay. HCF, so our LCM is nothing but 63. HCF of a fraction, which is HCF of numerator, which is 7, 63 and 9, divided by LCM of denominator 9, 8 and 7. Now when I take HCF for 7, 63 and 9, okay, which is one number that will divide 7, 63 and 9 together? Okay, again, see, here we found, right? So one number that should be, see, if I take, for example, if I take a number 15, okay, this will be divisible 1 into 15, right? Is 15. So it will have multiple factors, right? So 15 can be written what? 3 into 5. So all these numbers will divide 15, right? So likewise, I am asking which number will divide all these three numbers. It is 1 only, okay? So because 7 and 9 are there, leave 63 for a minute. Okay, 7 and 9 together will come in one table on, right? So that will be the HCF. LCM for 9, 8 and 7 is what? You have to multiply because these are co-primes, which is 5 not 4. Are you able to follow, everyone? Still, is there a confusion? Narendra,
No, sir.
clear? I'll give you one more question. You are going to try and tell me the answer for this. Try this. I want others to try as well. Find the LCM and HCF of 6 by 1, 6 by 17, 12 by 17. What is the answer for this? Are you guys able to do? So first we need to find LCM. So LCM of 6, 60 and 12.
Option A.
HCF of 1, 17 and 17. Right? And for HCF, we will take HCF of 6, 60 and 12. And LCM of 1, 17, 17. Right? That's it. You solve this. What will be the LCM of 6, 60 and 12? Biggest number again, 60. 60 into 1 is 60, right? So 6 is 60 divisible by 6? Yes. 60 divisible by 12? Yes. 12 into 5 is 60. 6 into 10 is 60. So 60 will be the LCM. And HCF of 1, 17, 17. Highest common, the number that will divide 1 and 17 is nothing but 1. Right? 1 into 1 is 1. 1 into 17 is 17. So 1 is the common number for both. So this will be 60. The moment you get this, if you find LCM alone, it's enough. Okay, this is answer. We need not even go to this part. But again, for your understanding, you can do HCF 6, 60, 12. 6 is the only 6 is the highest common factor. So 6 by 17. Okay, it's easy. Fine. Now, having understood this part, we will go to questions. Okay, which I will give you. Try this question. We'll come to other questions, but this is the application part mostly. Okay. I just want you to, if you are able to get it, you understand the concept of LCM HCF. And mostly your questions will be like this. They won't give you numbers and ask LCM or HCF. Rather, they will give you a question like this, and you are supposed to find the right answer. Even if you're not getting the right answer, that's fine. Just tell me the approach alone. What you will do here. You have understood that concept, you know. Okay, so what is given in the question? 3 bells are heard at an interval of 11, 22 and 44 minutes respectively. All bells tolled together exactly at 11:16 a.m. Then they will again told together at what time? Okay, so that is the question. So how will you do this?
LCM of 3.
LCM of 3. Okay. Now why LCM and why not HCF?
Because these three have to be ring together at a particular time. So we'll have to find the matlab 11, 12, and 44. So they will ring at 44. Matlab
Yeah, good. So what will be the answer now?
12 a.m. 12.
12?
I mean 44 will be the LCM of these three. Then we need to add that to that timing. So it will be 12 noon.
Good. Yeah. Others? Are you getting? Okay. First, I'll try to solve it manually, then I'll tell you what she actually said. Right? See, there are 3 bills as per the question. Let me take 1, bill 2, and bill 3. Okay. We'll try to manually solve this. Now, if all the bells toll together at 11:16 means when time is 11:16, bell 1 is ringing. Okay. Again, bell 2 is also ringing at 11:16. Bell 3 is also ringing at 11:16. Okay. So this is AM. We'll come to that part later. Now the question says that okay, they will be heard at an interval of 11, 22, and 44. That means what? Bell 1 rings every 11 minutes. Okay. That is the question. Every 11 minutes it rings. Bell 2 rings every 22 minutes. And bell 3 rings every 44 minutes. Now I want all of you to tell me, see, this is the first time they are ringing together. Now second time, bell 1 will ring at what time? Can anyone tell me? My question is, first time it is ringing at 11:16. Okay. Second time again it will ring at what time? And question says it rings every 11 minutes.
11:27.
11?
27.
Good. 11:27. Right. And third time, you keep adding 11, that's all. Correct?
Yeah.
11,
38.
38. Right? So this is the pattern that is followed. Right? Again, it will be 11, 49. Fifth time, it will be 12. Then sixth time, it will go at 12, 11. Correct? This is how it goes. Now come to our bell 2. When will the second bell ring together? Ring. At what time it will ring? When will bell 2 ring?
11:38.
11:38. Right? And next time
12.
it will ring at 12. It will ring again 12:22. This pattern goes on. Now our bell 3 will ring at what time?
12.
12. Now if you see which is the common number, 12 is the common number, right? Before 12, see, yes, 11:38 is there, but here there is no 11:38. So 12 is the number that is common for all the 3. That means what? If these bells ring at this pattern, they will ring at 12 p.m. Right? Because here it is AM plus it rings at 12. Is this clear? Everyone?
Yes.
But in exam, we are not going to do this. This is for your understanding. Now, Keep this in mind. Whenever a question asks you about something that is going to happen in future, okay, here what? After how much time they will ring together? After how many minutes? Okay, keep this. After means it is always LCM. Okay, if at all they give you a series of numbers like this and they are asking you after how many minutes, after how many times, something like that. So always LCM. Take LCM of 11, 22 and 44. Which is the biggest number again? 44. 44 into 1 is 44. Is 44 divisible by 11? Yes. Divisible by 22? Yes. So this is my LCM. So what I am going to do is directly take 11, 16. I'll add 44. That gives me 12 is the answer. Clear? This is actually a 2-second question. Just for your understanding, I did all these things. Okay. Clear? Should I repeat for anyone this thing?
No, sir.
All of you? Fine. Now try this question now. Tell me what will be the answer for this.
If you're taking LCM of those numbers, we are getting 323, sir, but that is not there in options.
Okay. Just try it. Take your time. Okay. Okay. So now what we are going to do is the same concept LCM. No, if we are taking LCM of these three numbers 3, 6, 8, 10, 12. Now what I told you for LCM, you will always take the biggest number. Now see here, whatever number I am finding, okay, so that particular number should be a divisible of the other numbers. Yes, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now, rather than going as 12 into 1, 12, 24, okay, see, I have 10 here. That means what? My number should end with 0, my LCM, because it should be divisible by 10 also, correct? Definitely 12, 24, 36 will not be divisible because that does not end with 0. So whatever number multiple of 12 that I am getting, that should be divisible by 10. Right? Now what is the first multiple of 12 that is divisible by 10? What is the first multiple of 12 that is divisible by 10?
60.
60. Good. So let's take the number 60. Yes, it is divisible by 10. Is it divisible by 8?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
What times of 8 is 60? 8 times 64. Okay. And 7 8 times?
Oh, sorry, yeah. It's not divisible.
It is not divisible by 8. Right? So this is not our LCM. Next number in 12 table that is ending with 0? 120.
Yes.
Correct? Okay. Is it divisible by 8? 120?
Yes, sir. 15 times.
15 times. Good. In 6 table? 20 times. In 3 table? 40 times. 4 3s are 12, right?
Yes, sir.
So that will be my LCM. Correct?
Yes.
Now what is given here? It is minutes. 120 minutes, which is equal to how many hours?
2 hours.
120 minutes is 2 hours. That means what? After 2 hours only, all these bells will ring together. Understood?
Yes.
So now time is 2:23. After 2 hours, what will be the time?
423.
4:23. We have that as an option B.
Yes.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Again, the simple logic is whenever you are trying to find something that is going to happen in future, always apply LCM. Okay. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now try this question. Just tell me what will be the approach here.
Here we will find HCF, sir.
Why are we finding HCF?
Because they ask that minimum number of similar chalk or steps.
Hmm.
So minimum means if we take equal number which is multiple of both, then we can make those both in same size.
Good. Very good. So what is he trying to say is, those who are not able to understand, listen. There are two choco sticks of 48 centimeter and 68 centimeter long. Okay. Let me take first stick and second one. Right. This is 48 centimeter and this is 64 centimeter. Fine. Now, what is happening here is both these sticks are divided into smaller sticks. If we have to make them into smaller number of choco sticks of equal size, then the minimum number of similar choco sticks. Okay. Now let me assume I am dividing both these sticks. Okay. At 1 centimeter each. Okay. The first choco stick is 48 centimeters. The second choco stick is 64 centimeter. Now what I am doing is I am dividing them at 1 centimeter each. Okay. 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter like this. So if I divide at 1 centimeter, how many choco sticks I will get here? If I divide them at 1 centimeter each, I will get 48 small sticks. Correct? See, one stick is 48 centimeter. I am breaking it into 1 centimeter. Okay, so I'll get 48 sticks.
Yes.
Fine. Here, how many sticks I'll get?
64.
64. Totally, how many sticks I'll get?
112.
1, 1, 2. Correct? Now, the question says what? Then the minimum number of similar choco sticks. See, this 112 sticks will be same length, 112 centimeter. Each stick is 1 centimeter. So, 112 small sticks. Now, for me, this number 112, I get it, right? Suppose like I am increasing this number 2 centimeter. I am dividing the sticks at, instead of 1 centimeter each, I am dividing them at 2 centimeter each. Now, how many sticks will be here? Will it be 24?
24.
Here,
32.
32. And totally
56.
56. Now, if you notice, when I double this number is reducing by half. Correct? So, when I multiply this is getting divided. Correct? So, for me, according to the question, this particular number should be as low as possible. Correct? Should be as low as possible. That means this number should be as high as possible.
Yes.
Correct? That is the minimum number of, so they want this number should be minimum, right? So this particular dividing number should be maximum. Like if you take 3 will divide 48, but 3 will not divide 64, right? So you cannot use 3 as a common number that will divide. So what will be the largest common number that will divide these two numbers? Can you tell me? What will be the largest common number that will means what I'm asking here? What is 8? Okay, yeah, 8 is there. 8 into 6 is 48. 8 into 8 is 64. Only 8. After 8, no other number will divide 48 and 64. So
16.
good. 16 is the answer. 16. If I break these sticks at 16 centimeter each, okay, 16 centimeter, how many sticks I'll get? 16 into 3 is 48 and 16 into 4 is 64. Totally I'll get 7 sticks. And this is the question. Minimum number of choco sticks is 7. Okay, you should not mark 16. The question, read it. Okay. If they ask you what is the length of each broken stick, then it is 16. Okay. But if they ask you what is the minimum number of similar choco sticks, it is 7. Should I repeat this question for anyone?
No, sir.
Others, are you able to follow?
So please repeat.
Sure. Fine. So, okay, leave these numbers. Let me take a simple number. I have one stick of 10 centimeter, one stick of 15 centimeter. Okay. Now, what I'm doing is, I am breaking them into small sticks. Like for example, if I break it at 1 centimeter, here also I should break it at 1 centimeter only. Okay. 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter. It should go like this. Clear? That is the condition. Now, if I break it at 2, here also 2. If I break it at 3 centimeter each, so the length of the stick that is broken should be same. Understood? So now this 10 centimeter stick is there and 15 centimeter stick is there. Now, if I break the stick at 1 centimeter each, how many small sticks will be there? 10 small sticks? Yes?
Yes, sir.
If I break the 15 centimeter stick at 1 centimeter each, I'll get 15 small sticks. So totally 25 small sticks will be there. If I break it at 2 centimeter each small, here it will be 5. But here I'll have a problem. Why? Because 15 is not divisible by 2. Right? I can have 7 sticks of same length, but again one stick will be of 1 centimeter. Right? 7 sticks of 2 centimeter is 14. Plus 1 stick will be small. Okay, it will not be 2 centimeter. But that my condition is not satisfied there. Right? Each broken stick should be of same length. It will be like this. No change in the length. Right? Okay, let's leave that part. So I cannot break them at 2 centimeter. Let me break it at 3 centimeter each. It cannot be done because in 10 it is not divisible by 3 centimeter. So what is the only other number? It is 5. If I break it at 5 centimeter, how many sticks? I will get 2 sticks here and here 3 sticks. Totally 5 sticks. So if you see, if I increase this number is getting reduced. Now what is 5 here? 5 is the HCF. Right? So I should divide these two numbers by their HCF to get the smallest possible number. After 5, no other number will divide. Okay, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, nothing. Okay, 5 is the only number because 5 into 2 is 10, 5 into 3 is 15. No other number will have these two numbers in their table. School tables you would have studied, no? So that one. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Someone who asked me to repeat this, right? So now the same logic we are applying to this question. Here I have taken 5, 10 for simplification. But our question is 48 and 64. Right? So I will divide these two numbers by their HCF. So HCF of 48 and 64 is nothing but 16. So if I divide 48 by 16, I will get 3 sticks and here 4 sticks, totally 7 sticks I will get. That is the question. This is the minimum possible number. Are you able to follow now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good. So that is our answer. Try this one. What is the answer for this? Anyone? So tell me what is the approach? Are you able to hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, what is the approach for this? So you have two flash lamps. Okay. So flash lamp 1, flash lamp 2. First flash lamp every 4 seconds. Second flash lamp every 6 seconds. If they flash at the same time, how long will it take? Suppose let us assume they are flashing together now. Okay. So that time. Now they are flashing together. Okay. I'll keep that as 0 seconds because now I am starting to count. Okay. Yeah. So time is 0 seconds. They are flashing together. Fine. Now, okay, let us do it like this. Just a minute. Right. So flash lamp 1 and flash lamp 2. So this will take every 4 seconds and this will flash every 6 seconds. Right. So when time is 0 seconds, both are flashing. Correct? For the first time. Next time, this lamp will flash after how many seconds? The first lamp will flash after how many seconds? First lamp will flash after how many seconds next time? 4 seconds. Now, when time 2 is 4 seconds, this lamp will flash at 4 seconds. This lamp will flash for the second time at 6 seconds. Correct? For third time, this lamp will flash when time is 8 seconds. This will flash when time is 12 seconds. This lamp will flash again at 12 seconds and this will flash at 18 seconds. So this is what they are saying. Okay. After two flash lamps are there, first one flashes every 4 seconds, other one flashes every 6 seconds. If they flash at the same time, so this time when right now they are flashing. Okay. So I am keeping it as 0 second. Now next time this flashes after every 4 seconds, that is plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. This one flashes every 6 seconds, plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. Okay. So this is the pattern they are following. How long in seconds will it be before they flash at the same time again? Now, what is the answer for this now? Are you guys able to hear me?
Yes, sir.
So what is the answer? The answer is there. See here. After 12 seconds, they will flash together. Okay. So what is 12?
Sir, LCM of both.
So that is what I told you in the beginning. So whenever a question like this comes, if they ask you what is going to happen in future, always LCM. So 4 and 6, LCM is what? 12, right? So that is the answer. Is it clear for everyone? Yes? Or should I repeat this? Clear, or is there any doubt? If you have any doubt, you can ask me in this topic. Is everything clear so far?
Yes, sir, clear.
Okay. Fine. We'll stop with this, but again, like I'll wait for 5 more minutes. If you have any doubt, let me know. Is there any confusion in any question? You want me to repeat anything? Or you want me to explain the concept again? I'll do that.
Sir,
Yeah.
actually, I have like general question regarding AFCAT exam. Can
Okay.
I?
Tell me.
So, like the questions which you're giving, is that enough, or we need to buy any separate material to give the exam?
See, in every pattern, I'll cover anyway. Again, nothing, no one can guarantee that this is enough. Not only for AFCAT, in any government exam, okay? You can generally cover the topics where you have to focus more so that you can clear the cutoff, right? But again, like you master these topics that are being taught. Once you are clear with this, you can go for the higher level. Okay. So whatever I have taught so far, questions will not be in any other pattern other than this. Okay. Within these patterns, they can make you the questions difficult. That's it. Right. So in 1.5 hour session, I cannot cover everything. Okay. But I just give you a brief overview where you have to focus. Now tomorrow, when you're starting to prepare this topic, Don't restrict yourself only to these questions. You can restrict to yourself to this pattern of questions. The same pattern, practice 10, 20 questions. So that is how you can improve your speed. That is when you know, okay, these kind of questions, this should be the answer. So the more you practice, okay, you need not even put pen on paper. By seeing the question itself, see. If I see this question 4 and 6, I can easily say 12 is the LCM, that will be the answer. Within 2 seconds, you are done with this question. You will go to the next one. Are you able to follow?
Yeah. Do we have practice questions in apps or as per defense new app?
Yeah. That they will. It will be answered to you. Okay. It will be given. Okay. Don't worry.